Have you ever wondered what happens if you hide an app on iPhone? In this video I will show you the truth behind hidden apps. You can simply go to home screen and long press on every area, then you will get minus sign just above each app. Then click on minus sign of the app you want to remove from home screen. Then click on remove from home screen from the pop-up. You can do for other app as well. At last click on done button at the top. This will remove app from home screen. First of all, it simply disappear from home screen and making this invisible for quick access. Even you have removed it from home screen, it will still be appear by searching an app library. You can find hidden app there and launch it whenever needed. Hiding an app does not affect the app data or settings. It will be preserved until you have not removed app from App Store. In my case I have removed Instagram from home screen, but my Instagram login credential and data will not be removed. So we can conclude this by saying hiding apps on an iPhone is a convenient way to manage the visibility and accessibility of your apps without deleting them. This much for today. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.